Okay, welcome to this teardown of the plug-and-play TV game console from Lexibook. This thing is Cars, maybe Cars 2 themed, I don't know. As you can see, there's a power button and there's a menu button on the system. Okay, now let's open the thing. As many of these unfortunately do, they have glued-on feet that cover the screws that hold them in. So we have to first remove these. And then we can actually open this machine. Unfortunately, I think this screwdriver will not really work. I think we need to change to a Phillips head screwdriver. Yeah, definitely we need a Phillips head screwdriver here. That seems to be the correct bit to use. Unfortunately, these screwdrivers take a bit of time to insert the bit into it. But no, there we go. And that seems to work much better. Okay, now we have the thing open. Let's look inside. And it doesn't really open. And the reason is I didn't remove the film first. So let's remove the film. Some people find this really satisfying. I don't know. But now we can open the thing. And unfortunately, as you can see here, as I suspected, you can't really see what kind of chip is in there. It's just this black blob. So it's this chip-on-board construction. I guess it's much cheaper if you do it in, I don't know, 100,000 quantities or something. So we don't really know what kind of chip it is that runs this thing. But let's have a look at the back side. Maybe we can identify something there. So first remove this one, all the screws, and then we'll have a look. Okay, and it looks like there is something. Let's wait for the camera to focus. Any minute now. And yep, there's a chip. Yeah, that's unfortunately the best image I can capture here. If you know what kind of part that is, go ahead. I really couldn't find out anything, unfortunately. Okay, now let's reassemble this whole thing quickly. And afterwards we'll actually have a look at the controller. Okay, there it is. This is what the controller of the system looks like. Seems to be using a USB 3 connector, but yeah, I actually tested this with a PC and no, it's not compatible with USB. So I guess they're just using this cheaply available plug because it's cheap. And they're probably using their own protocol. Okay, so as you can see, it kind of looks like an NES controller, but it has a few more buttons because it has these turbo buttons and it also has an additional menu button. Okay, let's crack it open and have a look. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. And now open it. And it seems to be stuck. I don't know. Okay, let's try prying it open. But it doesn't open. I don't know. It doesn't. No, it's really stuck. I don't know. I can't open it. Yeah, I think I know what's going on here. They probably put a screw below this label. I don't know why they're doing this, but it's a common thing. Cheap electronics often have this. If you know why, leave a comment. Okay, now the last screw is out. Now let's get it open. And as you can see, there's not much to see. There's an R2 resistor marked, but not populated, so probably wasn't needed, who knows. Let's get out the PCB and look on the other side. You can make your bets if there will be anything we can identify. Well, we'll see. And here comes the big reveal. And it's chip on board again, just this black blob. Yeah, it really doesn't contain anything. There's actually only this chip on board. No resistors, no capacitors, nothing. So really bare bone. Okay. Okay, now let's get this thing reassembled quickly. And yeah, after we finish reassembly, I will actually show a selection of a few of the games from this system. The system is kind of retro-themed, and I will not be providing any comments. Just if you're interested what the games on the system look like. Yeah, I attached a few of the games to the end of this video. See you later.